Ford posts strong November sales, hit monthly EV sales record. Ford Motors Company said Wednesday it had its best November for US sales since before the COVID-19 pandemic, achieving a 14% increase year-over-year and an all-time monthly electric vehicle sales record. The Dearborn automaker sold 166,373 vehicles last month. That included 10,821 all-electric vehicles, representing 6.5% of sales that were up 21% from last year. Ford is running its Power Promise campaign, which is offering to cover the cost of a standard installation of a Level 2 home charger with each EV purchase or lease or an additional cash incentive. President-elect Donald Trump's victory also may be prompting some EV owners wannabes to get one now, as the up to $7,500 tax credit for plug-in vehicles could be eliminated under the new administration. The all-electric Mustang Mach-E SUV posted its best ever monthly sales, up 38%. The E-Transit commercial van was up 358%, but the F-150 Lightning truck saw sales fall 17%. Adding in hybrids and plug-in hybrids, Ford's electrified vehicles were 14% of US sales and up 40% from last November. Internal combustion engine vehicles rose 13%. Truck and van sales were up 23%. F-Series pickups had their best November since before COVID, increasing sales by 27% from a year ago. The hybrid version was up 52%. The midsize Ranger was up by more than 23 times the amount sold a year ago after its plant had been affected by the United Auto Workers 41-day strike. The company sold 36% more Maverick hybrid than last November, though overall Maverick was down 34% year-over-year. Transit commercial vans were up 52% from a November sales record. SUV sales rose 8%. The Explorer, boosted by a refreshed model for 2025, was up 14%. Bronco also hit significantly by last year's UAW work stoppage, was up 255%, while its smaller Bronco Sport sibling fell 3.5%. Expedition increased 19% and Escape fell 10%. Mustang Cup sales were down 45%. Sales of Lincoln luxury brands SUV were up 49%. The Nautilus had its best November in 17 years, increasing 103%. Hybrids represented 49% of those sales. Aviators was up 86%. Corsair grew by 4.2% and Navigator increased by 11% respectively. Boosted consumer sentiment and improved market conditions supported increased sales year-over-year across the industry last month. According to Cox Automotive, average new vehicle interest rates decreased to 9.12% and incentives are representing an increased percentage of average vehicle transaction prices, rising to 7.7% in October. General Motors and Stellantis NV report sales on a quarterly basis. US sales in November at Hyundai Motors Company Limited, Kia Corporation and Subaru Corporation rose 8%, 20% and 8.2% year-over-year respectively, setting a record for the month at all three automakers. This video is based on this article. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button and stay updated.